we are talking about knitting. And knitting is also a great way to do things with your family, with your kids. So that one is knitting a hat, and this one is knitting a scarf. Look at how cute that is. I remember when I was younger, I always wanted to learn how to knit, but I wasn't sure how to do it. I didn't know what supplies or tools I needed. These ones are so cool because on the back, it actually comes with the actual supplies that are needed. So you get the yarn, you get the loom, you get the crochet hook, and a plastic needle to go ahead and make sure that you can successfully knit a scarf. In regards to knitting a hat, you do get the yarn, the loom, the crochet hook, and the plastic needle, so that you can go ahead and make sure you know how to knit a hat as well. And it's an easy way to use a loom to knit your own hat. You will have a lot of fun knitting as well. Trust me, as I was a child, I loved to knit as well, but it's hard because we didn't really have YouTube growing up, so knitting was something you kind of had to learn on your own. So let's take a look at knitting a scarf here. And as I mentioned, these are super cute to do with your kids or to pass along to someone who's interested in wanting to learn how to knit as well. So right away when you open up the packaging, you will get your instructions on how to do it, how to put it together. That's always something great to have. And then of course you have, this is the loom. The crochet hook is in there and the plastic needle. So everything is already available to your hands. And of course you got the yarns too, because once you run out of this yarn and you already go ahead and make yourself a scarf, you're already a pro. You have everything right at your fingertips, the plastic needle, the crochet hook, and then of course you have this to help you. And then all you need to do is just go ahead and get more yarn, and I guarantee you, you'll become a pro and you'll be able to knit a scarf like it was no tomorrow. So guys, take advantage of these amazing deals. I'll tell you, it's a complete knitting kit. And of course, it's easy to use, crafting made fun. And of course, it's learning and educational as well, because I will tell you guys, me growing up was hard to learn how to knit with no YouTube around. And there was never these kits that were available that had every single item in there, because I'll tell you, this is so great to have. So remember guys, if any of these items looked interested to you, like the 3D string lights, the knitting kit, or the sewing kit, take a look on our Amazon storefront page. Don't forget to use the code Dealstories so that you can go ahead and save on amazing discounts. Remember, Christmas is this Sunday, so these are great gift ideas to give to you, your family members, your kids, something fun to do, something memorable, and it is educational. So take a look on our Amazon storefront page. Enjoy the deals by using the discount code Dealstories. That lasts for a full 7 days.